myself, so let's just go to the last video. Yeah, Sneakers App did it to me again, guys. That Nike SB Dunk Reserve that dropped last week with the eBay dunks and the Yodo joints, it had me copping SB dunks that I thought I didn't need. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to do a 4K review on a sneaker that I thought I never had to review. It's not that the sneaker's bad or anything, just really wasn't my style. That's the reason I didn't cop. Shout out to Run the Jewels, man. But the reason I didn't cop is because I had the blue ones. And the blue ones were the best pair for me. Not only because of the color, because they was low top. I could do high top, but really not in this color. I had the Turkey Dunkins and a couple of other high tops, but these are like, they pony hair, man. I guess that's the only thing I could really say about them. Reason why I didn't cop them for the high top look. But I copped the other pair, the blue pair. I showed y'all a review. I'll put that up there somewhere. I even got rid of the blue pair, and that's because that blue and pink mesh, I had too much of it. Pink Pigs, Jackie Robs, Sneaker of the Year, and the Paris. So I had to let the low top Run the Jewels go by default. I wasn't going to wear them, and I don't hoard the shoes. They're not trophies. Wear your shoes, guys. So I got rid of those, and that Nike Sneaker Reserve thing, man, I got the pair, and they're dope in hand. Actually, I'm going to go a little further. The quality on this pair is way better than the quality on the baby blue and pink pair. And I love Miami, but this quality is crazier. Hit the B-roll. So I left off by telling y'all about the quality of the shoe. Not only is the quality better, it came with more accessories. I don't know if it's because they high, but you get a lot of stuff on here you didn't get in that baby blue pair. Too much talking. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. It's starting to feel like a rerun, like a rewind, man. So we get the white and chrome Nike SB box, the box of the year. But like I told y'all in my other videos, I got the candy corn highs a couple of weeks ago. I put that video up, and that box was purple. So I think they just picking and choosing what box they come in, because the high was a candy corn. This is a high, but it's coming in the regular SB box. I believe the blue and pink ones came in this box too. Yeah, I'm quite sure. So, like, I don't know. I guess they just mixing it up. It's either purple or it's either the white with the chrome. But anyway, it reads Nike SB Dunk High QS Active Pink Black Rose. Flip open the lid. You get that SB tree bark design paper. And let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Run the Jewels SB Dunk High. So let's talk about the big sandwich bag. I don't know, Nike's confusing me. They're trying to save the earth. They're going with the move to zero box, but sometimes this big sandwich box still creeps in. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, in this box you get some, in this bag you get some heavy, I mean heavy, listen. Sounds like nails. You get some heavy Run the Jewels, I guess you call these shoelace holders. It comes with the gold one. These are the black. I like the gold, but I see why they did the black. Try to keep the sneaker stealth, because there's a lot more black in this sneaker than you would think of. But let's start there. The nice Run the Jewels gold logo. This is dope, man. I really like this. And this is what I mean with the SB Dunk Low Run the Jewels. You don't get this, so that's one. One plus, you don't get this on the low. The toe box, black leather. I mean, not the best, but it's definitely tumbled leather. I mean, it's cool. It ain't bad leather, but it is tumbled. And after that paint, you get a whole bunch of pink fuchsia pony hair all through the sneaker. I do like how they bring the black back in here and then decided to just do the fuchsia pink threading. I do like that. But let's get to the side. This is one of the dopest, I mean dopest Nike swoosh I've seen. Y'all know the sneaker of the year. I think the Born and Raised has the best Nike swoosh. But this swoosh is dope, guys. It looks like a jewel diamond. I really like it. I wish it was a more like lighter color so you could see it better. But I really like that look. In the back, you get more black tumbledness leather. Y'all see the tumbleness? Not shattered backboard, but it's definitely tumbleness. After that, you get more of that fuchsia pink pony hair on the back. I get it. I don't like it, but it's a yellow leather pull tab that separates both swooshes. I don't get why it's yellow. It could be because Run the Jewels, but if you're going to make this gold, then just make that gold. The yellow feels out of place in my opinion. But on top of that, you get more plush tumbled leather, guys. And the sock liner creeps in. Looks very comfy, guys. Looks very comfy here. Feels and looks like wool. It might be, but it's definitely soft. Maybe just soft cotton, but definitely good material. Definitely. Going to the tongue now, you get the pink on the tongue. The tab is pink. Nike SB. Black leather tongue. Good material. Very, very stiff. That's the front. On the back, you get the Run the Jewels logo, or one of the Run the Jewels logos. And I like that in pink. I wish they would have switched it up and gave us Nike SB on one and then Run the Jewels on the other one. Maybe I'm talking too fast. Maybe they did exactly that. Inside feels busy, so you know we probably have a whole bunch of shoelaces.
A few moments later.
We back. So it comes in the pink shoelaces. And I want to point out these shoelaces are very thin for a Nike Dunk. These are not your regular Nike Dunk shoelaces. Feel more ropey, but it comes with the pink. You get gray, you get yellow, you get green. All these colors are not in the sneaker. I don't understand what was the meaning, but it is what it is. The inside has the Run the Jewels logo, and the inside is also yellow. Let's try to get that. So you see the Run the Jewels logo, yellow inside. I guess they trying to compensate for that yellow shoelaces. I get it. I guess that's it. We can go to the bottom. More yellow creeps in there. Pink, fuchsia all, but you got that yellow there, yellow there, yellow there. So I guess they trying to give us all the yellow they can. That was the right. This is the left here. Quick glance. Nothing really changed. You still got the Run the Jewels tag there. The inside is still yellow. Bottom's the same. Same tag. Swoosh is still dope. I want to point out on this one, my pony here is, the cut is a little off there. But other than that, everything adds up. Everything's the same. Yes, sir, man. Shout out to Killer Mike, the whole Run the Jewels. Killer Mike is a dope artist, man. He don't get the recognition he needs to get. But yeah, I mean the shoe's cool, and I was playing earlier in the video. Shout out to Nike sneakers for doing them restocks, them reserves, man. I mean, whether you only got 5 pairs in stock or not, to just give someone a second chance is dope to me, man. Like I said, these wasn't on my radar. I gravitated towards that baby blue pair. Light blue has a spot in my heart, man. But these are dope. They're not for me though. Like I can rock them, but I can't do pony hair too much, guys. But very dope. And y'all remember when Nike first started the pony hair, they used to put like a card in a box or something stating that is not real pony hair. I didn't get this in this one, so maybe it's real. Y'all let me know, man. In the comment section below, let me know, did you hit on anything on that Nike Sneakers Reserve joint? Like I told you, I clicked all of them, and I got a few, man. But I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.